Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger notifications muted. If your Messenger notifications are muted, here are the most common fixes. So first, check if the chat is muted. So in the Messenger app, open Messenger and open the conversation that's not notifying you. So once you open it, tap the person's name at the top, then scroll down and tap on notifications and sounds. Make sure mute notifications is turned off, just like so, and make sure mute notifications for calls is turned off also. So make sure you disable these two. Next is to unmute all Messenger notifications. So open Messenger and tap the menu at the bottom right, then tap settings, then scroll down and tap notifications and sounds. Ensure do not disturb or pause notifications is disabled, just like so. So turn notifications on if they are off. Next, go to settings, then go to notifications, then scroll down and open Messenger app. Then from here, make sure allow notifications is turned on or enabled. Make sure you also check lock screen, notification center, and banners. Make sure you also enable sounds, badges, and down here, tap on show previews and make sure it is set to always or when unlocked. And that's basically it. I hope that fixed the issue. Thank you for watching.